Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Cozy Chat. This is the third episode of my English Before Sleep series. Tonight, I will tell you a calm story in English. You can listen while you are relaxing or as you go to sleep. If you like, you can try to imagine the story as you listen, or you can just relax and listen to the words. Just enjoy this moment. Tonight's story is A Quiet Walk by the Sea. Imagine a quiet evening by the sea. The sun is slowly moving down towards the horizon. The sky is full of soft colors. Light orange, pink, and pale blue stretch across the sky. The air smells fresh and a little salty. A gentle wind moves slowly along the beach. In front of you, the ocean moves calmly. Small waves roll towards the shore again and again. Each wave reaches the sand, then slowly returns to the sea. The sound of the water is soft and steady. You begin walking slowly along the beach. The sand feels cool under your feet. Your steps leave quiet marks in the sand. Step, step, step. The beach is peaceful this evening. Only a few people walk in the distance. Some sit quietly and watch the ocean. Others walk slowly, just like you. Seagulls move through the air above the water. Sometimes they glide silently. Sometimes they call softly as they pass. The sky slowly becomes deeper in color as the sun continues to sink lower. The light on the water begins to change. The ocean reflects the colors of the sky. Soft gold moves across the waves. Then gentle pink. Then deeper blue. You continue walking along the shore. The rhythm of the waves feels calming. The sound repeats again and again. Wave, water on the sand. Then the water slowly moving back. The ocean has its own quiet rhythm. You take a slow breath. The cool sea air fills your lungs. Then you breathe out slowly. Your shoulders begin to relax. Your mind becomes quieter. Walking beside the ocean often makes people calm. calm. The wide sky feels peaceful. The water moves slowly. In the distance, a small boat moves quietly across the water. It leaves a thin white line behind it. Farther away, the sun touches the edge of the sea. For a moment, everything becomes golden. The sky glows softly above the horizon. Then slowly, the sun disappears. Evening begins to arrive. The colors of the sky become softer and darker. The first stars show above the water. The beach now seems quieter. Most people have gone home. Only the sound of the waves is at the beach. You stop walking for a moment and look across the ocean. The sea is calm. The sky is wide and open. Everything feels peaceful. After a moment, you begin walking again. The sand is cool and smooth. The evening air is calm. The sound of the ocean stays beside you as you walk. Wave after wave moves slowly towards the shore. The night sky slowly grows deeper. More stars appear above the water. The quiet walk continues, and the calm rhythm of the sea stays with you. Good night.